If you are wondering what size water heater you need, the answer depends on more than the number of people in your home. A properly sized water heater should match your daily routine, your busiest hot water times, and a type of system you have or want to install. For traditional tank water heaters, capacity is measured in gallons, but the tank size is only part of that decision. You also need to think about how much hot water your household uses during peak times, such as morning showers, laundry, and running the dishwasher. For tankless water heaters, the focus is different. Instead of storing hot water, tankless systems heat water as it flows through the unit. That means flow rate, incoming water temperature, and the number of fixtures being used all at once matter. Choosing a water heater that is too small can leave your house running out of hot water. Choosing one that is too large may waste energy and money. That is why a professional recommendation is so important. At Trusted Plumbing and Heating, we help homeowners choose water heaters based on real use, home layout, fuel type, available space, and installation requirements. Whether you are replacing an old tank, considering tankless, or trying to solve ongoing hot water problems, our team can help you make the right choice. To learn more, read our full blog or contact Trusted Plumbing and Heating today.